welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. I hope all of you are doing well, and this is my day 46 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. My name is Nikita, and today I am going to share to all of you some basic and simple daily use sentences, and in my personal experience it's very easy, and you also use this your speaking without any hesitation. So guys, without any delay, let's start. First, यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not big deal. It's no big deal. ये तुम्हें फायदा करेगा. It will do you good. It will do you good. वो तो ठीक है, पर that's all well and good. But that's all well and good. But उसके बाद आप कोई भी सेंटेंस ऐड कर सकते हैं. खुशी हुई कि आप आ पाए. Glad you could come. Glad you could come. सुनकर अच्छा लगा. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. मैं तो कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकती. I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. क्या चल रहा है? What's up? What's up? उसका मनोबल मत गिराओ. Don't pull her down. Don't pull her down. अपनी औकात में रहो. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. मुझे चिढ़ाओ मत. Don't pull my leg. Don't pull my leg. So guys, this is 10 important sentence and this is daily use sentence. अक्सर हम लोग ये सब बोला करते हैं. Okay guys, I hope this is helpful to all of you us. So guys, that's all, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.